Working through our next problem is called Pizza with the Works. Carrie ordered a pizza with pepperoni, mushrooms, and olives. When the pizza arrived, Carrie counted 27 pieces of toppings, twice as many mushrooms as pieces of pepperoni, 3 fewer olives than mushrooms. How many pieces of each kind of topping were there? Okay, so we are told here that there's 3 different types. There is mushrooms, olives, and pepperoni. So let's write what we know. I'm going to write pepperoni plus mushrooms plus olives is equal to 27. We also know that pepperoni times 2 is mushrooms. And mushrooms minus 3 is olives. So we've got that right there. Let's figure this out now. So we know all of them have to be with 27. So we don't know any one number to begin with, so we have to just start experimenting. So let's just choose a number for what we know to be pepperoni, which is, we know that there has got to be the most mushrooms, and then olives, and then pepperoni. So let's say we say that pepperoni is 8. If we just plug in the number 8. So pepperoni is 8. Let's just say. So then 8 times 2 is 16. So that would be 8 pepperoni and 16 mushrooms. And that would be that, pepperoni, mushrooms. And we also know that m minus 3 is olives. So 16 minus 3 is 13. So I know without even trying to add it up, this adds up to way more than 27. So that is not right. So let's try a much smaller number to start with. Let's assume there are 2 pepperonis. So I already see that this is not going to work, but let's just work on it. So look. 2 pepperonis. So 2, to get the number of mushrooms, we have to multiply it by 2. So 2, so this would be 4 mushrooms. So 2 pepperoni, 4 mushrooms, and we know that olives is mushrooms minus 3, which would be 1 olive. So we know that that's not correct, because that does not add up. Should we try a number in the middle? Let's try 5. Okay, 5 pepperoni times 2 equals 10 mushrooms. So that's 15, because 5 plus 10. And then we know mushrooms minus 3 is olives. So that would mean there are 7 olives. So this adds up to 22. So we're getting closer, but that's still not it. I'm guessing the next one will be correct. So let's say that there are 6 pieces of pepperoni. We multiply that by 2 to get the amount of mushrooms, so it's 12. So that we've got 6 plus 12, and that's 18. And the olives that we're going to add to that is mushrooms, which is 12 minus 3. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So we're going to add 9 to that, and that is 27. That is 27, folks. So now that we know, the answer is that there's 6 pieces of pepperoni, that makes 12 mushrooms, and 9 olives. And that's how we get our answer.